second this fish ate, I knew we were in trouble.
Dude, holy Rich. Oh my God. Wow.
Nobody really understands the sheer size and power of a Goliath grouper until they've actually met one face to face. In hopes of accomplishing a lifelong dream to catch one, we hit up Rich from Fishaholic Fishing to get us out on the water and go after one of these beasts ourselves. We started our day catching bait in order to catch some bigger bait to ultimately drop down over Goliath grouper's head deep down in the wrecks. Some more bait on board. Look at that. That is a beautiful little fish. There you go. The idea is pretty simple. Get a big bait, throw it on a big hook, drop it down over some structure, feed some line out, and wait for the fish. Easy, right? Not at all. We went for smaller grouper first, but the Goliaths made their presence well known by continually stealing our catch and breaking us off in the rocks numerous times.
Let's go, Sock. This is what you wanted, dude. Don't quit now. Don't quit now, dude. Oh, it snapped off again, dude. Wow.
There was no more messing around. Rich went and pulled out the biggest rod and bait we had, and that's when everything changed as soon as it hit the bottom.
Hand up here.
Oh. Dude.
Real, get him up. You gotta get him up away from the structure.
Wow, that is a heavy fish. Oh my God, I can't even reel him.
You gotta try.
Wow, dude.
Or he'll get it in the structure.
While I fumbled around trying to secure my waist strap properly, our blue runner got absolutely smoked, and I had no choice but to grab the rod and reel it in without the strap.
Go, 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 reel.
I think it's hard too because I'm used to reeling with my left hand. There we go. There we go. There we go. Oh, you fuck. Oh, dude. Oh, no. Damn, he came quick for this thing, Rich, huh?
The thought of losing Rich's rod or going overboard with this fish ran through my mind as I used every ounce of power in my body to get this fish up and prevent that from happening.
Wow, dude. Oh my God. Oh, oh dude. Oh.
He's got you on something.
Oh, does he? Is that why I feel so?
All right, real. He's out.
Oh my God.
Go. Down.
Without assistance to relieve some tension on the rod, I'm sure I would have lost this fish or got a hernia trying. I had never reeled in a fish this powerful before. It was truly a humbling experience.
Dude, holy shit, Rich. Oh my God.
All right, Joe, reel.
Wow. Oh my Lord. Dude, how big is this fish?
Reel.
The hardest part about fighting these groupers is keeping them away from the structure immediately off the hook set. Oftentimes, fights will be lost before they even start if the grouper is able to get back to its shelter.
Oh my God.
No, don't stop. There you go.
Come on, man. Oh my.
Put that rod over here.
I'm trying to like. Oh my God. Oh.
You got him. He's nearly there. And he came back for it. This is 250-pound leader.
Jeez.
And 300-pound braid.
Oh my God, Rich.
We got colors. He's coming up. He's coming. You got a follower. There's another one right behind him. Wow.
Oh, dude, Rich, I might need your help, dude. Oh my God.
All right, you got it.
Wow.
Reel.
Oh. Yeah, dude, that hip strap one probably would have been so much better. Oh. Oh my God. Oh my God, Rich.
We got colors.
Oh my God, dude. Dude, get out of here.
There he is.
Oh my
Good
God.
stuff.
Dude. There's no way. There's no shot we just pulled that up. Dude. Oh my God. Look at that thing. Dude, that is a monster. And they get way bigger than this too, man.
Oh yeah.
And that thing absolutely whooped me.
Weights.
Oh. Where do you want to cut
Just
it?
as close to his lip as you can.
Get under here.
There you go. Yep. Perfect.
All right.
This big girl swallowed it.
Look at that fish, dude.
Put a hand on it at least. Say you touched it.
Oh my God. Dude, that is an absolute monster, man. I'm just in shock. Look at this thing. I mean, this is absolutely monstrous. Like, how big do you think this is, Rich?
Oh, this is probably 200,
Oh my God.
250
Wow.
maybe.
Yeah, that was massive, man. There. Trying to go. Whoa, baby. There we go.
That's usually how it goes.
Rich.
Nice
Man,
work.
that was incredible, dude. Oh my God.
If you want to catch another one though,
Oh
I
my.
can show you there's another technique where you sit on it and then you use the gunnel to like hold most of the weight, and then basically you sit on the rod, reel up as you stand. Sit on the rod and then you wait for say like the rod tip to pop up, and then
Yeah.
I'll have to show you that technique.
Absolutely insane. I'm still sitting here shaking, honestly, from that fish. That was more than I expected. I probably sounded like a complete bitch while I was reeling that up, man, but that is a heavy fish. That is some serious fishing. You gotta have the guns and the technique to get that thing up. We just drifted right back to that same spot we've been catching these mahi, blue runners, and that Goliath Grouper at, so we're gonna drop back down, send the lines back out, hopefully get onto some more fish, and Big Saki over here is gonna go for the Goliath again.
Is he struggling over there? Big fish. It might be a small Goliath, or it could be a big gag grouper. Big neck. Oh, come on. Oh.
No
Just
way.
broke right there.
Right after my fish, we decided to let Saki give it another go. Shortly after Saki lost his fish, I accidentally hooked on the one with very light tackle.
It's only 15-pound line and
What?
25-pound
Wow, dude. Oh man.
It's probably like 100-pound or 50-pound juvie Goliath or something.
You think so?
Yeah. If it was any bigger than that estimate, he would have broke it off a long time ago.
There we go.
Maybe all the other grouper that rocked this up like went in the holes, so all the holes are taken. So then he's like, "Let me in, guys, let me in." They're not letting him in.
He had to eat one of them to get him out the way.
Yeah.
Yeah, because this is definitely fighting different, Rich, than when I initially hooked the fish.
Yeah. Yeah, you could have hooked into a smaller grouper and then something bigger ate it.
You probably got another grouper.
With 2 more fish lost, Yanni gave it one more go.
Really, Yanni? Oh, you got a nice one, dude. Let's go. That's exactly like what happened with the one I caught earlier. Yeah, where is that? Popped off again.
Yeah,
Man.
it's just
rubs it on its mouth or the bottom, and it breaks off.
Unfortunate. That's what happens.
After going 1 for 5 on the day with these Goliaths, we were wiped out and moved onward to other species. Overall, it was a truly successful day on the water with that lifelong dream finally accomplished. If you guys enjoyed this video, we'll be dropping another one with the entire boat trip next week where we got into plenty more species and even a catch and cook. And if you're not following Rich's channel, make sure to check him out. We'll link his website for his charter service and his YouTube content in the description below. Thank you guys for watching, and we will catch you guys on the next one. Peace.